We'll guide you through how to turn on Find My iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So personally, I think having Find My iPhone turned on is really important because it allows you to go and track your iPhone. So on another Apple device or even any device, you can go onto Find My iPhone in the app, or you can go and use the site and you'll be able to go and track where your iPhone is. You'll be able to go and play a sound if you lose it in your house, or if it goes and gets stolen, you can actually go and lock it remotely as well. And you go and put a message on the screen telling the person who's got it to go and return it to you. So it's going to be really useful to go and have turned on. So make sure there's full guide, step by step, so you know how to go and do this. What you need to do is go and head to the settings on your iPhone. So go and open them up like this. Now what you need to do is come to the top. There you'll go and see your Apple account here. So you will need to go and be signed in. If you find this is grayed out, you need to go and turn off the account restriction in the screen time settings. Then what we can do is go and tap on it like so. Now in here, you need to go down and you want to go and find the option for Find My. As you can see, it's just here. Go and tap on it. Then at the top, we'll go and see Find My iPhone. And you can go and tap there like this. And it says locate, lock, or erase this device and supported accessories. This device cannot be erased and reactivated without your password. So it's a great feature to go and turn on. Switch it on, and what you can also do is go and switch on Find My Network. So participating in Find My Network lets you locate the iPhone even when it's offline. So have that switched on. It's also worth turning on Send Last Location. The last location will automatically be sent if the battery is critically low. So that's it. Now that's turned on, your iPhone is now a lot more protected in my opinion. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video for more.